You're a Chef Ricardo Juice Bar and Salad Bar. Anyway, a lot of people ask me about this wonderful, fantastic salad, avocado salad with pepper, chili, olive oil. I can't even explain it. Simple recipe but effective. I want you guys to watch this video. Leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. It's a very simple recipe, but it is tastable, flavor, and everything. The way I do it, it's fantastic. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team today. Stay tuned. Okay, this is a recipe where a lot of people have been asking for. Alright, here it is. Here we go. Get a medium size avocado like this. Get a knife and cut into half. See that? Avocado looking lovely, nice, and that's exactly what you want to see. Alright, or you remove the seed. Use a spoon, simple. You just pluck out. You hear that drop at the floor? Yeah. Or you can use a teaspoon. Teaspoon even better. Alright, so what you do? This is thing. Get a table knife or a little knife, cut into half and cut them into dices. Like this. Alright. Secondly, use a teaspoon and simple. Rock it up like this. Alright guys. Alright? As you can come out. It's an easy recipe. Some people was asking me back for the recipe. Alright. So I'm just gonna do it like that way. Alright. Tomato. Dry chili. Paprika. Black pepper. Extra virgin oil. That's it. A lot of people asking for that recipe so much. Alright guys, so this is it. You know what I mean? You can eat it with anything you want to eat it with. It's a fantastic recipe, and I know you guys definitely will love the recipe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. And a simple recipe like avocado salad at home. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.